Christmas cookies are always decorated to suit the occasion, and they are always very vibrant with nice Christmas colors. In this recipe, I'm going to be showing you a very easy and simple cookie recipe, which we're going to cut out into Christmas shapes, decorate, and it's going to be an absolutely amazing time because you can engage your kids. For example, we have a very nice Christmas tree that is very crunchy. I'm using my own cookie recipe to make delicious Christmas themed cookies, and for the link you can check up here or in the description box because the recipe is super good. Now into your bowl you're going to be adding in some margarine, and this is 1 cup. Also, you're going to find the rest of the ingredients listed in the description box down below. You'll need a hand mixer or a whisk. Whip up your margarine for around a minute. After a minute, the margarine is going to change color from yellow to a nice pale yellow color, and it's going to be looking very fluffy. So next you're going to add in sugar, which is going to sweeten the cookies, and that is 3/4 cup. You can reduce to 1/2 cup if you don't love your cookies sweet. Mixing using my spatula. Crack in 2 eggs. Add in a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Add in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and whip up for around 2 minutes. In between, you're going to scrape your bowl. And after 2 minutes, your batter is going to be looking very smooth. And by whipping up the eggs, we're going to add in some air into the batter. The vanilla is going to add in flavor into the cookies, and the salt is going to balance the sweetness of the cookies. So now it's time to add in my all-purpose flour. Add in baking powder, that is a teaspoon, which is going to help the cookies rise while baking in the oven. Using a spatula, you're going to fold in the dry ingredients into the wet. I'm going to add in a little bit more flour. Use your spatula and scrape the bottom of the bowl so that all the ingredients can get combined into a dough. You can also use your hands. All you have to do is clean your hands. If you notice that your dough is on the sticky side, you can sprinkle in some all-purpose flour as you need. The dough shouldn't be too soft because you're going to be cutting out some cookies. I still have some dry ingredients in my bowl, so I'm going to go in with my hands and knead for around 30 seconds or until the dry ingredients are fully combined into the dough. Once done, you're going to be chilling the dough for around 10 minutes in the fridge, and then you're going to pick your Christmas themed cookie cutters. I have a snowman, we have a Christmas tree, a round shape, we have this is for the Christmas. We have some candy sticks and a star. These are the few cookie cutters I have which are Christmas themed, and I say this is snowman. No, this is ginger man. So yeah, let's chill the dough. When your dough is chilled, you're going to preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and line a baking tray with parchment paper ready for your dough or ready for baking. I'm going to transfer my dough on my countertop. Using a rolling pin, you're going to roll out your dough to 1/2 inch, just like this. And you're going to get creative by cutting out more cookies. Once done, you're going to pick a baking tray and carefully transfer your cookies on the tray. This is a little bit delicate, so I'm going to use my palette knife. When done, you're going to be baking your cookies at 180 degrees Celsius for around 10 to 12 minutes. And when the cookies are ready, you'll notice a nice golden brown color on the bottom of the cookies. So you can bake your cookies in batches. And it's going to be very, very interesting when you have kids, because they are going to help you cut out the cookies using these incredibly looking Christmas themed cookie cutters. Once your cookies are baked, they're going to be looking so gorgeous. As you can see, we have a brown bottom, and also the cookies are looking so yum. Wait for around a minute so that the cookies can cool enough to handle. Then you're going to transfer to a cooling rack so that they can cool completely. My last round is cooling, and I have so many Christmas trees, as you can see. And also, these are the cookies that have completely cooked. We have a nice ginger man. We have some Christmas trees, candy cane for the Christmas, and yeah, lots of other shapes, which I'm going to be showing you how we are going to be adding a very nice look to the cookies. So you're going to grab your round and star cookies, which we poked a hole. I'm going to grab my round cookies, add in some strawberry jam in the middle, that is a teaspoon. Then I'm going to grab the top part, and there you go, you have a nice jam-filled cookie. Next, I'm going to grab my star cookie, repeat by adding in some jam. You can add in jam of your choice. Align the edges and place another cookie on top, and this is the look that you're going for. Gorgeous. After adding in your jam, you're going to refrigerate before you enjoy the cookies. Now, it's time to decorate the rest of the cookies, and I have some white and dark chocolate, which I'm going to be using to decorate. So you're going to melt, that is double boil your chocolate. If you place in a pan directly, it's going to burn, so you double boil. I'm going to start with the candy cane and dip in my dark chocolate halfway, just like that. Shake off the excess and place on my cooling rack so that the excess can drip. For the rest of the dark chocolate, I'm going to transfer to a piping bag. Fold. You're going to cut the end of the piping bag, then you're going to drizzle the chocolate, making a very nice pattern on the cookies, just like this. Transfer the white chocolate to a piping bag as well, then you're going to crisscross the Christmas tree just like this. For the ginger man, I'm not quite an artist, but I'm going to try and decorate the ginger man by adding a face and some buttons. It's a little bit sweet, and the chocolate decoration adds in some more sugar. So you can buy sprinkles, add in your favorite jam. As you can see, we have some jam-filled cookies. I'm getting some sugar rush enjoying these cookies. They are crunchy, delicious. We have a very nice vanilla flavor. Just give this recipe a try and your family will have the best Christmas ever.